Jesse reserved us an excursion and we're going to experience this for the first time here at
the Mushing co-op.
we layered. I think I have like 4 layers on top of it, like a big jacket. Jesse has a really good North Face jacket. So we came to drop this off for us. Oh, it's just a waiver. So they have you.
If the dog eats you, it's not their fault.
They have you do a waiver before you go in. Woo!
That was my top experience so far, to be honest with you. In terms of scenery, and overall, you know, just the experience itself, like it's like once in a lifetime type of thing.
We will put our excursion name down below, in case you guys are wondering where we booked it. And yeah, go ahead and give it a try.